Hey guys, rising rates and cautious buyers are shifting this spring market. Don't guess your next move. DM me the word strategy to build a plan that fits your financial priorities.
More.